Ooh. Welcome back, my lovelies. Today we'll be testing some more weird, or are they weird, beauty products from Amazon. I didn't buy any of this, Andre did. So to him, this is weird or genius?
Cool products.
Cool or cool products? Cool or cool? Cool or cool. They're very cool products. So the first one is this mini portable fridge. Even has a little door. All right, let's open it. Let's open her up.
I mean, do we think it's cool?
I think it's cool. I mean, and it is literally cool and oh, ooh, that's cold.
I mean, what would make it cooler if I could put beverages in there?
I think you can. I think you can put some Zevias in here. And another cool thing about this is you have an extra wire here that you can attach to your car and make sure this is turned on inside your car. And Andre came in here to put his Zevia.
So yeah, I have two different bottles. I want to see if, you know, when you're doing your skincare, you might want to have something to drink.
I mean, Zevia fits, but that one doesn't.
So you can show them.
So, Zevia fits in here, and it's already cold. But this one right here, it doesn't fit. So I would have to take the top shelf out to fit it in there, which
Can you slide it long ways? Are you able to slide it anywhere?
Nope. I mean, you can slide it, but it's not gonna close. Okay, so we're gonna go with, ooh, this little skincare right here, Serum by Fresh, their Vitamin Nectar Glow Juice. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Okay, that's cold. That's nice. That feels so good and cooling. Especially in the summertime. I feel like I'm really gonna get a lot of use of this little mini fridge. Wow, my face still feels cold. See, I knew that was gonna happen. I still did it.
I don't know what you did.
Why did I do that? Like, why did I do that? I thought I leaned it enough and I didn't. And I knew I didn't, but I still did it. And I'm like, he's gonna, I knew it was gonna happen. We both did. I think we all did. I do wanna look into it and see which skincare products are best used when cold. Oh, that feels so good, you guys. It's not even funny. At first, when I opened it, I was kind of worried that it's not gonna be powerful enough, that it was gonna keep the products cold, but they are cold. Before I move on, I forgot that he also got me a vibrating Jade Roller. I was gonna put this in the fridge, but I forgot that he purchased this. And the thing is, I've never seen a vibrating one before, so you have to put a battery in here, which I did. You guys hear that? And it starts moving. What? Why are you moving? That's so cool. But I also know a lot of people keep their Jade Rollers in the fridge to get the jade nice and cold, but I forgot, so it's okay. So we'll see what this feels like. Oh, it's already cold. Ooh. That is actually really nice. You wanna try this? That feels so good.
I wish it was colder.
I'm definitely gonna keep this in the fridge.
Like ice cold. I don't know how much I like the vibrating part.
All right, let's turn this off.
Honestly.
I actually don't mind the vibrating. Are batteries okay in the fridge?
No.
Yeah, I'm gonna take the battery out. There we go. And this does require a AA battery. Doesn't come with one. So let's just take that out and we're gonna put this in the fridge. I think this is cool, but I think also it might be in my head. Just put it right in there with the rest of the skincare. I just love that little door. It's so cute. I'm just gonna apply a little skincare, a little lip balm, and I'm gonna quickly do my makeup. All right, so now that most of my makeup is done, we have lipstick left. And these right here, they've been all over Amazon for as long as I can remember looking at makeup. These are jelly lipsticks that change color. So these ones retail for $15.88, and you get 6 of them, and they're jelly changing lipsticks. So these are jelly texture.
So I wonder if you put some hot air on them, if they're gonna change color.
I think we're just gonna swatch them and see if they change color.
This might be fun for like little kiddos.
Yeah, I feel like kids would like this. Pink. Let's swatch. Whoa. Do you see that?
Did you change color?
Yeah, it's pink. So this is shade 1. Now we're gonna do shade 2. Very similar, but more sheer. A little bit more purple, I would say.
It should be orange.
They're all pink. Babe, we got duped. They're all pink.
They just turned pink, that's about it?
Yeah. This one looks more similar to this one. So shade 3 and shade 1 are literally the same.
They're all slightly different.
They're all slightly different, right? But they're all pink. This is so funny. This is shades of pink. On the packaging, it's showing purple, light pink like a nude, fuchsia, red, and orange. Definitely not seeing these. These are all pinks.
What is that one supposed to be?
No idea.
Wow, it came out pink.
Wow, that's a different one, isn't it? What do you guys think 6 is going to be?
Blue.
Ooh, maybe. What do you know? It's pink. I mean, they're all slightly different,
They are.
but all the same. Makes sense, right? I'm just putting shade 1 on my lips. It's definitely adding color.
A little bit.
Yeah.
A little bit of pinkness.
Yeah. Somebody younger would enjoy this because of the packaging, like a younger person would enjoy this very much. I'm not saying an older person or person my age would enjoy this, but just the packaging, the aesthetics, the flowers in the lipstick, and it looks like something Cinderella would have, or Snow White, something like that, you
Not
know?
for younger people, it's for those who like
Disney.
Cinderella and
Disney. You like princesses, I think if you like princesses, Disney, I think this is for you no matter what age you are. It's been a couple of minutes on my lips, and it's definitely more of like a fuchsia pink on my lips now. Instead of a very nudie pink, it's definitely more of like a fuchsia pink. I have the green one, the green lipstick, and I'm gonna blow hot air right on the lipstick, see what happens. It's just melting it.
Not turning?
No, it's just melting it. Okay, next product. Andre bought this Eyebrows Trimmer by the brand Vogue Crest. And this is electric, I'm assuming?
Of course.
It looks like a pen.
And they're all over Amazon, so like, they're insanely popular right now.
Got my battery stash right in here. Okay, it's pretty, seems pretty intense.
Let's see if you can trim some of my eyebrows. You
Okay.
always want to.
So, sit down. I'm just trying to see. See, I like to stroke his hair up, and then I just take scissors and I trim them going like this. So his hairs are still there. His bushiness is still there, but they're just a little bit shorter, you know, they're not as bushy.
Pushiness.
Yeah. So like the thing I think
Proud
with
of my,
this,
I'm proud of my bushy hair.
you have beautiful eyebrows.
Yeah.
So,
I know you're always jealous about that.
not really.
Dude, you always try to, emulate my eyebrows on your face.
Okay.
Make it more bushy.
Okay.
Yeah. Go for it. It's not rocket science.
Well, I'm just making sure. I just don't even know like where I'm gonna trim it. Let's trim the edge.
Let's do it. You could put a line.
No, you gotta look more towards me.
Did it do it? It feels smooth.
He doesn't have a unibrow, but he does have some light hairs right here.
Okay, let's see.
I mean, it works, but
For fuzzies.
yeah, it works for, I mean,
Fuzzy hair.
yeah. I mean, I feel like if you really went in there and went on your eyebrow, it would definitely work. See if you could do your nose hairs with this. Because it's like perfect, it's like a good shape, you know?
Go for it.
It's definitely trimming it. That tickle? Oh! No, don't get tickled. Hold on, there's some like right here.
Alright, go for it.
Does that hurt?
No, it tickles.
Like the long ones, it does not want to get. Oh, I got it.
You got it?
Yeah, turn the other side. It's just these ones right here that are kind of long right now. You scared me. Don't do that. I want to take your nose off. See, that actually did a good job for your nose trimmer.
Okay, we found nose trimming device.
For Andre. And it's such a good little size too. And it's inconspicuous, you know? Okay, this is...
You don't want to rip them out from the root?
Yeah. Let's see if any... Oh yeah, a bunch of hair in here from your nose.
From my nose?
What do we think of that product? Cool or weird?
You can definitely find things to do with it, so that's cool.
You can definitely find things to do with it. It's cool and weird at the same time.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's move on to the next product. And this next product we have to test overnight because it is a pillow for your face. So this right here, this is called Your Face Pillow. It's a genius name, Your Face Pillow. And this prevents wrinkles, stops acne, and it's anti-aging. So it already comes with a protective layer on top that has a zipper so you can wash it, take it out. Definitely I'm gonna try this at night. So you put your head right in between these two little cushions, and then it kind of goes down around your neck area. And it actually feels pretty nice. We'll definitely test this tonight and see how I like it. Maybe if I don't like it, I'll wake you up and make you sleep on it. Okay, all right. It is nighttime, getting ready for bed. Got my pillow. Honestly, I thought it would be way more stiff, and it's very soft. As you can see, it's definitely memory foam. You can kind of see how it's bouncing back. And it feels pretty comfy. I'm just curious if it's going to feel suffocating. Makes sense, because I like to move around while I sleep, but so far I'm really liking this part right here at the bottom for the neck. Also trying to see if it's comfortable sideways, if you're a side sleeper like I am. Honestly, it's not bad. It's a little bit if you're like super on the side, but you can kind of keep your face on the pillow, but it is very soft. But again, I'll keep you guys updated. All right, I'm gonna go to bed. Good night. Good morning. Okay, I'm obviously on a different pillow. This is the pillow that I always sleep on. Basically what I wanna say is the pillow lasted until a little after 3:30. It kept waking me up. It's way too small. I like a big, fluffy, massive pillow, and I just didn't enjoy that one. It was too small, it was too stiff, even though it is memory foam and it's kind of plushy, but it's still too stiff because it's so small. And I kept wanting more and I was not getting more. So yeah, I didn't enjoy it as much. I think it's only for people that don't move when they sleep whatsoever, because I move when I sleep, and I don't even think Andre would enjoy it. Who doesn't move when they sleep, especially their head? But that's the update. I don't think it was that great, and I don't really want to use it again just because it's so small. Not as much substance. And that completes the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, spending time with me. What are some of your favorite weird but really cool beauty products from Amazon that were just really awesome finds and that changed your beauty routine in your life? Please share with all of us. But for now, I will see you in the next video very soon. Bye.